Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading, especially to all my fellow Scorpios. Hope you guys having an amazing day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. This is not for all Scorpios. For some of you guys, it could not be your story and it could not be your energy. So please, use your own discernment. I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? I would like to tell you that I am not speaking English language at the country where I reside at present, but Deutsch. And I would like to apologize that sometimes some of my sentences are not really fluent because I'm on the way to speak Deutsch language, not English. I'm only using English language during the time of my reading. So sometimes there are lots of words which is, not clear. And I would like to apologize you all. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let me see. Your first energy here is the Justice. This is a Libra energy. For some of you guys, it could be that you are dealing with a Libra or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be that you are dealing with a person who has an authority. This person could be a lawyer, a judge, or a police officer. And this is the current situation. I feel like this is related to the cause and effect. This is related to the past situation. The Justice is just like also the law of karma. What goes around comes back around. It depends upon your action in the past. For some of you, I feel like you call the Justice and the universe give you the truth, the clarity, and honesty. And this is here it is. Could also be that there are lots of people who wants to return, to apologize, and if possible, to reconcile with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And it's up to you. Because at the end of the day, this is your own life and your own destiny. Rest assured that the Justice is in your favor. This could be related to the law and order, litigation in the court. And I feel like in the past, you are misjudged with this person or group of people. It could also be that you are going to receive the decision from the court. This is the current situation. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. This is the challenge, the Hangman. This is a Pisces energy. Could be that you are dealing with a Pisces or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. For some of you, of course, not all of you. Somebody here is feeling trapped. Somebody here is confused. I don't know who is this person. Could also be that this is related to the judgment, the truth. This is related to karma and justice. Somebody is feeling trapped with the truth. Could be that you are dealing with a Pisces or a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart or a Pisces in your birth chart, or you are dealing with a person who has an authority, a lawyer, a judge, or a police officer. This is the current situation. Somebody here is sacrificing or suffering in silence because of the truth. Let me see. The spiritual lesson in this reading is the Six of Swords. This is an air sign energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is your spiritual lesson because you already moved on from the painful situation in the past. Let me see. The past energy is the Knight of Swords. Somebody here is raging to communicate with you. This person could be reckless, impulsive, or this is your energy towards this person. Somebody here wants to tell you, or this person wants to argue with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is in the past. For some of you, I feel like you declined to communicate with this person. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And we have here the Seven of Swords. Oh my gosh, this is the present situation. For some of you, I feel like you are snaking away from the situation. But also that you are snaking away from this person or group of 7 people. There could be significant meaning for you with the number 7. You could be born on 1977, or you are dealing with a person who was born on 1977, or it could also be that you are dealing with a person who was born on the 7th of the month. I don't know, or you are the one who was born on this month. This is related to your lucky breaks, your lucky 7, number 7. This is related to your spiritual growth. For some of you guys, I feel like there are people who are planning to sabotage you. This person or group of people could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Be very careful with whom you have an access in your life, because somebody here wants to steal from you. This could also be a group of thieves. This person or group of people could be wants to steal your time, your energy, your resources. I don't know what you have. Be very strategic, especially if you're going to communicate or handle with a situation with this person. Could be that you are dealing with a group of 7 people or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you, you're snaking away with your work because you don't like this person or group of people because they are so nosy. And now, they couldn't snake you with your work because you are tired and sick. You are snaking away silently from this person or group of people. And the future is the King of Pentacles. This is a Taurus energy. Could also that you have a Taurus in your birth chart, or you are dealing with a Taurus, or you are dealing with an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Could also that this person is a rich person, and this person is willing to support or uplift you. This is the future. For some of you, this is your energy. You are in this energy of the King of Pentacles because of your hard work, because of your legacy. And aside from that, it could also be that this person is a wealthy person, and this person wants to support you, wants to give you a gift, or this person wants to work with you, to invest with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be an earth sign. Normally, this is the energy of Taurus. Could also that you are dealing with Virgo and or Capricorn as well. Take only what fits in your story. We have here, your energy is the 5 of Vessels. Oh my gosh. Somebody here is disappointed. Somebody here is feeling regrets and remorse. Could be a group of 5 people. I don't know who is this person, a group of people. Could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. They are disappointed and they believe that they have unfinished business with you. Somebody here is stuck in the situation in the past. This could be related to a relationship. Could also be a group of 5 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 5. You could be born on the 5th of the month. You could be 55 years old. You could be born on the 1975. You could be 57 years old. 75 years old if you are watching tarot. There could be a significant meaning for you with this number. Number 5. It could also be that there is something significant will happen on the 5th of the month. I don't know what this is all about. For some of you guys, I feel like this is your energy. You are disappointed because for some of you, I feel like you want to offer somebody else something, but you view this person that this person is feeling stuck with the past. Somebody here is, couldn't let go of the things in the past. They are holding back. Somebody here is feeling frustrated, desperate, regretful, and remorseful. Could be a group of 5 people because you are no longer engaging with them anymore. For some of you, this is also your feelings. You are disappointed with this person or group of people because you are supporting them in the past and they are not reciprocating your value. Instead, they're betraying you. Could be a group of 5 people. Or you are dealing or attracting a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And this is your present energy. Somebody is feeling stuck with the old situation. And let me see, the outside influence here is the 8 of Vessels. Oh, the 8 of Cups. This is your energy. You walk away from this situation because you are not reciprocated. They are not valuing your support, your worth. It could also be that somebody here investing to this relationship, giving too much and not reciprocated. And that's why you walk away. You love yourself unconditionally. You pour this love to yourself and you move on silently. And that's why somebody here is feeling regrets and remorse of what they have done in the past. Could be a group of 8 people or a group of 5 people. There could be significant meaning for you with the number 5, with the number 8. You could be born on the 8th of the month. You could be born in 1988. You could be born in 1985. You could be 58 years old. There is something significance with this number 8 and number 5. For some of you, this is your unexpected change. The number 5 and number 8, this is your good luck. This is related as well to a gambling. You have luck. You are having an abundance here. This is related to good luck. I don't know what this is all about. A fortune, could be your business, your legacy, your creativity, your work. Could also be an investment. I don't know what this is all about, but for some of you guys, I feel like this person or group of people now are receiving their karma for what they have done to you. Because number 8 is just like also what goes around comes back around. That's why they are feeling disappointed. They are feeling regretful and remorseful. Because they are not reciprocating your value, your support. They talk your kindness as your weakness. And I fully understand if you move on silently. You pour that love to yourself. Could be that you are dealing or attracting a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is the 10 of Staves. You drop the burdens. You are no longer engaging the burdens anymore. For some of you guys, I feel like there are lots of people in the past who are now carrying the burdens because you are no longer supporting them. You walk away because you are not reciprocated in a particular situation. That's why somebody is feeling regrets and remorse of their action in the past. You drop the burdens. You are no longer carrying the heavy weight on your shoulder. You realize that you have your own burdens to carry and it's over. This is the hopes and fears. Could also be that somebody here wants to drop their burdens on you. Could be a group of 10 people in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. I don't know what this is all about. Could be that you are dealing as well with a group of 10 people. For some of you, this is the completion. You are no longer carrying the heavy weight on your shoulder. You are dropping the burdens. The burdens, which was caused with this person or group of people in the past. This is the completion. And the outcome is the 8 of Pentacles. I told you, you drop the burdens because you are focusing on your pentacles, your stability. You are working hard because you want to have a completion with this 8 of Pentacles. Could also be that there are people who wants to drop their burdens on you because they wants to distract your focus energy. I don't think that they can stop you. They couldn't hold you back because you're already here in the 8 of Pentacles. No one can stop your birthright, your destiny, your legacy, because this is divinely given to you by the divine Most High. Could be that you are dealing with a Virgo or a group of 8 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 8. Again, you have here the 8 of Cups and the 8 of Pentacles. This is all about good luck, good fortune, good karma, because number 8 is just like what goes around comes back around. This is your house, number 8. You are the transformation and rebirth. You are the phoenix rising from the ashes. This could be your transformation, a new beginning. This is a powerful new beginning, and all the luck is in your favor. Money and love. You have good luck here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because you drop the burdens and you move on. For some of you, you move on silently. But there are people who are planning to sabotage you, to trick you. Be very careful. For some of you, you are snaking away because you knew the truth of this person or group of people. Yeah, look, could also be that somebody is eyeing your money. Somebody who needs your support financially. Or somebody who wants to support you. I don't know what this is all about. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. But you have had good luck in your career, your money is good, and also your love life, because you managed to move on. And aside from that, you are going to have a justice here. This is also like the well of karma, and the justice is in your favor. This is your first card, remember that. Clarify me, Father, why the 7 of Swords in this reading? Tell me, thank you, spirits. The 7 of Swords is clarified as, the tree. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 8. Again, number 8 is your good luck, good fortune. For some of you guys, there is there is growth in everything you do. There is growth. That's why you are in this energy of the 8 of Pentacles. You are going to be this 10 of Pentacles. That's why the universe advises you to don't give up and continue your work, and don't get distracted with this person or group of people who wants to distract you. Don't give up, because you are already here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you, you are already in a financial success and stability. You have had growth and growing. This is related to your work, to your goals, that you are grounded. It could also be that they have seen that there is a growth in your body. This is related also to healing, that you are pampering yourself, that you are, there is growth in yourself. I don't know, you are glowing. Take only what fits in your story, but you are snaking away from this person or group of people because they are nosy. And that's why somebody here plans to sabotage, plans to steal from you. Could also be your ideas. Be very careful with whom you have an access in your life. Be very strategic, especially if you're going to communicate with this person or group of people. Clarify me, Father, the 7 of Swords here. It is clarified as the Consoling. You could be dealing with an artist, a singer, a performer, a model, a painter, or you are the one who is an artist. I don't know what this is all about. And you are snaking away. You are working in silent. And there are people who wants to sabotage. They're snaky. But I don't think so that they can sabotage your work because you are gone. You're doing it silently. And they piss off. They want to manipulate you. They are planning to steal from you. Because, you look, could also be that you are, what do you call this, a music lover, and you are creating something which is related to music. And you are advised to continue, Father, because there is growth here. There is a success and abundance here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Or you are listening to the song which is related to your healing journey. Or you are dealing with an artist. I don't know what this is all about. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why the justice in this reading? Tell me more about the justice in this reading, please, for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The justice is clarified as a man. Could also be that you are dealing with somebody else, this person is a masculine energy, or a feminine energy and masculine body. I don't know. Vice versa, it could also be a man. This person, or this is your advisor to, I mean, this is related to your the sensual energy, your advisor to show your, I mean, to acknowledge your sensuality. And I feel like this person could be a man, I don't know, is now receiving the karma of what they have done on you. This is justice and karma. I don't know what they have done on you. Could be that this is a Libra. Could also be a person who has an authority, a police officer, a judge, or a lawyer. Somebody here is getting their karma, and you are getting a justice. I don't know what this is all about. There could also be a man involved in the situation, or you are this person. My beautiful souls, Scorpio, I don't know which is your energy here. Or it could also that this person wants to return, to apologize, and if possible to reconcile with you. You are advised her to forgive this person, not because they deserve it, but because you don't need to block your blessings. You need your peace of mind and the tranquility of your surroundings. But reconciliation, I don't know if you are going to reconcile with this person. I don't know your whole story. At the end of the day, this is your own destiny. You are the one who can decide it. I couldn't recommend if you are going to reconcile with them. It's up to you, because somebody here wants to return, to reconcile, and if possible to be with you again, to be back in your energy. Could be a Libra, a person has an authority, a police officer, a lawyer, or a judge. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why the justice in this reading, or this person is now receiving their karma of what they have done to you, because they misjudged you in the past, because they did unjust on your life, because they wants to swap your destiny, which was given to you by the Divine Most High, and now they are receiving their karma. I don't know, is this person. Clarify me, Father, why the justice here, it is clarified as obsession, infatuation, adoration, addiction. This person could be prolonging an addiction, drug addiction, alcohol addiction, or this person is overindulgence, partying, and drinking. I don't know what this is all about. But this person is obsessed on you. This could also be your ex. And this person is now receiving their karma for what they have done to you, because this is the clarification of the justice. You look, this person is adoring you. This person is addicted on your energy. Could be a Libra, or a person has an authority. Could also be a lawyer, a judge, or a police officer. I don't know what this is all about. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Clarify me, Father, why? Why the Eight of Cups in this reading? Please tell me more about the Eight of Cups here, please. Why the Eight of Cups here? It is clarified as number 18, the dog. You could be a man's best friend, and this person viewed you that they can trust you, that you are honest, that you are a loyal person. I feel like in the past they didn't see your value, and now they have seen of who you are, because the justice is here. They have seen the truth of who you are, but it's already too late, because you're already gone. You move on silently. You love yourself unconditionally. You are no longer engaging your energy to them. Now they realize of who you are. They lost a man's best friend. They want to have your trust back, but I don't think if you're going to trust them again, especially if these are a group of people, the people who in the past, who are not reciprocating your value, who misjudge you, who did unjust on your life because of jealousy, envy, power hungry, money hungry. Could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, a group of 8 people. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why the 8 of Cups in this reading? Tell me more about the 8 of Cups here, please. Why the 8 of Cups here? It is clarified as Der Verleugner. This is a German language astro cards which stands for the denial, the liar. In the past, I feel like they are denying on you. They are fabricating a story, or they doesn't want to see you that you have an unconditional love to yourself. They hate it. Because for some of you guys, you are no longer giving your energy to them. It could also be that they doesn't want to see you move on. They doesn't want to see you that you have justice, that you got justice. And they denied your justice, the truth. Remember in your last reading, this was also come out. They denied your self-love. These are the people nowadays, because these are the people who are triggered with your lights. They couldn't believe that you love yourself unconditionally, that you have an unconditional love to yourself. And this person or group of people, the low vibes people, they are denying that Scorpio doesn't have an unconditional love to themselves. Scorpio didn't move on. Because they denied everything. Because could be that you are dealing with a group of people who has a lack of self-esteem. These are your so-called frenemies, haters. For some of you guys, you are innocent. You have nothing to do with this person or group of people. I have experienced this as well. I met somebody else I didn't know here, this lady, but she kept murmuring on me without any reason, because they are triggered with your lights. There is something inside you that this person or group of people doesn't have and they couldn't have. They could be a monitoring spirits of the darkness, and they come into your life because you could be the one who is going to change them. I tell you, for some of you, you could be an earth angel, a chosen one, or a spiritual warrior. Of course, not all of you. If you are on the right path, this is your readings. They are denying your self-love. They deny that you move on. Of course, you move on. The 6 of Swords and the 8 of Cups. Because they doesn't want you to move on. Because they are feeling left out by you, and that's why they denied it. Scorpio didn't move on. Scorpio didn't love themselves. But you don't care. You have your justice, and you're already gone. You are also snaking away from this person or group of people. For you, this person or group of people aren't exist in your life anymore, but they are disturbed. They are disturbed with your 8 of Pentacles, because you are growing and you have justice as well. And aside from that, you have an unconditional love to yourself, and you are the King of Pentacles, or somebody will offer you with this stability, and that's why they denied everything, because they doesn't want to see the truth that you are winning in front of them. For some of these people, guys, they perceive that they don't see you, but they are watching you like a hawk 24 hours, especially if you are posting in your social media. They are your #1 stalker, but they perceive that, I didn't see Scorpio, because their guilt eating them alive. I told you, because of their hatred, because of jealousy and envy. You have no access in their lives. You cut off the ties, you block this person in your social media and in your mobiles, and they piss off. That's why they plan to trick or sabotage you by all means. Be very careful, because nowadays there are people who wants to hurt you without any reason. They will utter bad words on you because of jealousy and envy, because they triggered with your aura, because they are the monitoring spirits of the darkness, and the light is within you. I told you, be very careful. You don't care if they are denying on your success, on your creativity, on your justice, because they couldn't deny it. They can only closing their eyes, but their lives are falling apart. I told you, their guilt eating them alive because of what they have done on you in the past, trying to interfere with your destiny. Could be that you are dealing with either a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Clarify me, Father, why the 8 of Pentacles, sir, please? Oh my gosh. Scorpio are not interested if you are denying Scorpio, because Scorpio got the justice. Scorpio have a financial success and stability. Scorpio have an unconditional love to themselves, and Scorpio dropping the burdens. And aside from that, Scorpio is the energy of the King of Pentacles, and Scorpio is snaking away and cutting off the ties. Scorpio doesn't care if you don't want to say them. You hateful. I'm sorry, but I have to tell you, you look, Scorpio doesn't care because Scorpio doesn't care about you as well. I'm sorry. Clarify me, Father, why that 8 of Pentacles here? It is clarified as anchor. This is related to your goals, your creativity, could also be your investment, your job. This is, you are grounded, and this is related to your destiny, your goals, and it is already secure. No one can stop you because you're on the 8 of Pentacles. And this person, a group of people, all they can do is to deny. They doesn't to see you succeed. They doesn't to see you that you are a successful person, because their guilt eating them alive. And that's why they tried to close their eyes. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why? Tell me more about the 10 of Wands here, please. Tell me more about the 10 of Wands. It is clarified as the Hylarine. I told you, you already healed from the past trauma. And this person, a group of people are unhealed. And that's why they tried to close their eyes. Because they doesn't want to see you win. They couldn't accept that you have justice and that they are receiving karma for what they have done to you. And aside from that, they are denying you, but they are obsessed on you. I told you, you look, they are obsessed. They are still watching you like 24 hours like a hawk. And they perceive that, oh, I didn't see Scorpio, but they are curious. They are watching your every move. And or they are watching your every post in social media, if you have, of course. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why? Why the King of Pentacles, sir? Please tell me more about the King of Pentacles in this reading. It is clarified as the ring. Somebody here wants to marry you, want to engage you, because they viewed you as a marriage material. Could also that this person viewed you as their divine counterpart. This person could be a rich person or a high-profile person. I don't know. Or this is your energy towards to this person. Somebody here wants to marry you, or you are the one who's going to propose a marriage proposal to this person. If you are in this energy of the King of Pentacles. Vice versa. Somebody, a wealthy person, a high-profile person wants to marry you. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why the Hangman in this reading? The challenger is the Hangman. Oh my gosh. Why the Hangman in this reading? Please tell me more about the Hangman. It is clarified as the Lebendi. Oh my gosh. This is the Lovers. Could be that you are attracting or dealing a Gemini. And this person is feeling trapped. This person is feeling confused. Could also that this person is no longer free. This person viewed you as their twin flame. Could be that you are dealing or attracting a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. And this person is feeling trapped. This person is sacrificing in silence because somebody here is no longer free. There could be a temptation here. Somebody here needs to make an important decision in their lives. Could be that you are dealing or attracting a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart, and this person now is confused and feeling trapped because you only want a real deal. The justice is here. The truth is that you are no longer playing mind games anymore. Game over, because you knew the truth. And this person also have seen the truth of who you are, but they are feeling stuck. Could be a Gemini. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why? Oh my gosh. Why the 5 of Vessels here? Who are these people in your life? Who are these regretful people? Why the 5 of Vessels here, please? It is clarified as Coffin. Oh, sorry. This is related to your transformation. There are people who are mourning. Yeah, look, they feel like they lost you already, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. The coffin is your transformation. It's just like death. When somebody pass away, then they are mourning. And this person or group of people are so sad and mourning. The Five of Cups. Because they lost the man's best friend, the dog. And that was you. And this person are now mourning. Because when you are in their lives, they are not reciprocating your value, your support, your love. That's why you walk away and you move on silently. Scorpio will not fit in a particular situation if nobody reciprocated us. And now this person are Five of Cups, regretting and mourning because they lost the man's best friend, and that was you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be a group of 5 people you are involved, or a group of 10 people, because these are the cards come out here. And for some of you guys, there could be an ending here, a separation, a major upheaval. I don't know what this is all about. There could also be a funeral. I don't know. Or this is you are just like mourning. It's just like a funeral. You are mourning. This is the Five of Cups because you are in the transformation, and this is a painful but beautiful beginnings. You lost some, you win some. These are the people in the past who are not reciprocating your value. The Five of Vessels is the Five of Cups. They lost the man's best friend. Somebody here is mourning, or a group of people who is mourning on your loss. I told you it's just like a funeral when somebody passed away. This is your transformation. It could also that this is your energy. It is a painful but beautiful metamorphosis in your life. Could also be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 13. You could be born on the 13th of the month. You could be 31 years old. I don't know what this is all about. This is your transformation and rebirth. And there are lots of people that you leave behind, and they are mourning. They are sad. They are regretful because they lost the man's best friend. A person who can rely on, a person who can be trusted, a person who is loyal, and a person who will fight for you no matter what will happen. And they lost it because they are not reciprocating your value. All they did on you is to let you carry the burdens and put swords on your back. And that's why I fully understand if you move on, if you're snaking away, because it's too much for you. You have gone through a lot of pain. The 6 of Swords, the 7 of Swords, and the 10 of Wands. This is not a joke. You have undergone through a lot of pain. Nevertheless, you managed to heal the pain. Somebody here is feeling trapped. Could be your twin flame. This could be a Gemini for some of you. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And that ends your readings for today, guys. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.